A very common misconception of the idea of natural selection is that there's some sort of preordained intelligence that decides how to develop an organism best in order to overcome some obstacle or selection pressure, as it's called in the environment, and that's not at all the case. Imagine evolution more like random things being thrown at a wall, and the things that stick continue to exist. We talk about divine creation and how perfectly everything works, but that is really only a concept you can buy into if you are not familiar with how horribly ineffective most living organisms work. They work at a minimum level to survive, and that's about it. Organisms constantly undergo minor mutations due to mistakes made in the copying of DNA. Genes mess up quite often, which is the source of almost all genetic diseases. On occasion, one of those mutations actually allows the organism to survive some external thing in nature better than others, enough so that organisms with that mutation are more likely to survive long enough to reproduce. Thus, more organisms have that mutation, and that becomes the dominant form of that organism. That's natural selection, a happy accident rather than divine intervention.